guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about geometry construction of perpendicular lines. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now in today's video class, we need to have a ruler, and then we need to have a compass, and then we need to have a pencil, and then a ball pen for us to draw this perpendicular line. And we do have some following steps for us to be guided. Alright, so let's start with this one. So step 1, draw a line L that contains a point T. So this is the illustration. So draw a line L that contains point T. Now you can measure this one class, anything that you want. You can have 8 cm, 6 cm, that's okay. So it's up to you class, which do you prefer. So let's have 6 cm for our horizontal line. So 6 cm for our horizontal line. Alright, so these are centimeters. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are centimeters. So once again class, it's up to you. You can have 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So in my end, let's have 6 centimeters for our horizontal line. Alright, so 6 centimeters for our horizontal line. And then we label this one as L. So this is L. So this is L, small l of course. And then we have point T on the middle part. So point T on the middle part. So in between 6 there would be 3. And this will be point T. Alright, so once again guys, you do it step by step, you do it slowly. So this is point T, and then this is line L. Alright, and then step 2, place the compass at point T. Using the same compass setting, draw arcs to the left and right of T, intersecting line L. Label these points D and K. Alright, so let's have that. So once again, because we need to draw an arc to the right and then to the left of T. So this will be our guide, this point T. Now we need to measure class anything that you want class. You can have, if this is 3, once again, this is 3, from 0 to this one, the middle point. Of course, this is 0 from T, so this is T. And then going to the right, you can measure this one class anything that you want. You can have 1.5 in between 1 and 2, 1.5, or you can have 2. So it's up to you class, which do you prefer. So let's have 1.5 class. So 1.5 on the right. Okay, 1.5 on the right, and it will be the same measure on the left. That would be 1.5. Alright, so this is 1.5. So once again, place the compass at point T using the same compass setting. Draw arcs to the left and right. So we need to draw an arc to the left and right. So same measure. But we already measured that one class 1.5. So from this one, from the center part of your compass, this one right here class, this point, we measure this one from this point to this point. There would be 1.5. And then let's just draw an arc. It will be the same measure class. So this is 1.5. Alright, this is 1.5 with regards to our arc, and then another 1.5. Just simply rotate your compass class. Alright, so this is 1.5 from the midpoint T, and then 1.5 on the right, and another 1.5 on the left. And that would be step 2 class. So that's the step 2. So check the illustration class. Yep, we have the same illustration, and we label this one. This is point D. This one right here, the intersecting point. Okay, label this one as point D. This is point D, and this is K. So D and then K. So this one right here, this is K, and this is D. Alright, so D and then K. And then step 3 class, we proceed now to step 3. Open the compass to a setting greater than dt. So greater than dt, once again, d to t, that would be 1.5. We measured that one a while ago. Once again class, from d to t, we measured that one a while ago. That would be 1.5. Let's double check. D to t, yup, that is 1.5. So 0, 1, and then in between 1 and 2, that would be 1.5. So open the compass to a setting greater than dt. Put the compass at point D and draw an arc above line L. So therefore, our point here for the compass at point D, and then we measure this one greater than 1.5. So let's have 2. So let's measure 2 on the ruler. Okay, if this is 2, so once again class, measure 2 on the ruler, because a while ago from T to D there would be 1.5 greater than 1.5, so let's have 2. Alright, so 2 centimeters. Alright, so 2 centimeters, and then use your compass. So measure compass, this one. Use your compass class to measure this one, 2 centimeters. This is our guide a while ago. Alright, yep. Okay, let's double check. Yep, this is 2 centimeters. Yep, this one right here. So once again class, measure compass. This will be 2 centimeters. Yep, this is 2 centimeters. Once again class, greater than D to T. A while ago, D to T, that would be 1.5. So let's have 2 centimeters class, greater than D to T. So we measure this one. Yep, this is 2 centimeters. So from point D, you draw an arc on the top of this line L. So we need to draw an arc. Once again class, the center part of your compass, you align at that point D, and then you draw an arc above line L. So this is the point, and then you draw an arc above line L, so this one. Alright, and then same thing on this point K. Just rotate your compass class. You align the center part, this one, this point class, on your compass at point K, and then you draw an arc on the top. Alright, and we label this one as point S. So using the same compass setting, put the compass at point K and draw an arc intersect the one previously drawn. Label this point of intersection S. So this will be point S now. So this is point S. Alright, so this is point S. This one right here, this is point S. Alright, and then last one, use a straight edge to draw ST, line ST. So simply connect this one class, the points, and we will have our perpendicular line. So simply connect this one. So connect this one class, this point S and then point T, and then we're all set class. That's how we draw perpendicular lines. Alright, so simply connect this one, and then we will have our perpendicular line. That's it class. So check class the illustration. Yup, we have the same illustration class. Simple as that class. So we can sketch this one with a ball pen to finalize our answer. So we used 6 centimeters a while ago. Yup, 6 centimeters. So let's finalize our answer. Alright, this one, this is a line, and then this one, another line. Alright, this one. Alright, this is point T a while ago. This is T. And there you have it class. You have your perpendicular lines. Once again class, we call this one perpendicular lines because when the line intersect, okay, once again class, when the line intersect, they form 90 degrees angle. So this angle right here class, this is 90 degrees angle. Okay, this is 90 degrees angle, this one. Also this one, this is 90 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle. So when two lines class, they intersect to each other and they form 90 degrees angle, we call that one perpendicular lines. That's it class. That's how you draw perpendicular lines using a ruler, a compass, and then a ball pen and then a pencil. Alright, and then I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. So our next video class is how to draw a parallel lines using a ruler and then a compass, a pencil, and then a pen. So if you want to learn more on that video class, I will just put the link on the description down below. Feel free to see the video class. Alright, so once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.